Yeah, let's start thinking of rendering this. Although, let's pick a background. Let's turn on perspective. I kind of like how that looks because it like matches the highlights. If I say real view, and I can actually make the perspective a little bit more aggressive. Maybe not that aggressive, too. Yeah, but I need to check the scene. And oh no. Well, let's see how this looks. Yeah, so we're going to be finishing the render with about an hour to spare. So that should be just enough time to cheese a victory for the 2K part challenge. Render tools. Preview window. Alright, this looks kind of cool. Let's bring it in a little bit. Yeah. Alright, let's try and render that. You know, we'll take a few shots. Just like an actual photo shoot. And you can see the hairbrush renders that I had left over. Oh, you know what I should do actually? Since, you know, I'm thinking of using a cheese tactic to win my challenge, I should actually make the part like a slice of cheese with holes in it. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, if I'm gonna cheese, I might as well be honest about it. Alright, so while that runs, let me go check some things. We got about a dozen people still watching. You know, we've had that since the beginning, which is amazing to me. How's OBS doing? Uh-oh, it's stuttering a little bit now that we're trying to run a render. What is my GPU? It is an NVIDIA GeForce 2070 RTX. It's a gaming card, but it's a pretty nice one. I really like this. I really like this image. I like it too. I don't know if anyone's heard of that. Alright, so let's try a more top-down view to fill out more of the frame. Maybe not that extreme. I want to be able to see the port on the bottom. Let's try another render. Yeah, and by the way, I have the settings at max quality. Just tracing some rays. I'm actually astonished. We're able to keep 22 frames per second. You know, in most other instances, that would be terrible. But considering that this is like doing ray tracing, like active rendering, that's pretty good. And I'm glad our gradient came out pretty well. Nice. I like this one too. Now, for a shot of the back, I think. Uh-oh. Actually, that's kind of cool. I didn't actually... We ran out of blue. There's no more blue, guys. Go home. Oh yeah, we got Corona in the chat. Hello. Yeah, you're here for... I don't want to call it the grand finale because there's still one more thing I want to try before I end this. Before I do the drawing and end the stream. Yeah, let's just do that. And I think I want to get one more where the PlayStation is vertical. Yeah, so we just crossed over the 11-hour mark. Can't believe it. It felt really quick. The stream was going by, you know. Yeah, you came back just in time. Yeah, I'm gonna attempt to make a different part that actually has 2,000 features, but with like cheese tactics. Yeah, this ended up being like 200 features or something like that. I can check once I do after I do the last render. Okay, that looks good. And now, so let's do pause so it doesn't freak out. And now, so first things first, I need to turn this PlayStation logo. Move. Copy bodies. Rotate. Can I select an edge? No, I can't. Fine. I'll select the temporary axis. Nope. I guess I should pick... What? Oh no, I put copy by accident. Oh no. There we go. Now it's sideways. So I'll save that. Oh, but I also... Yeah, I'll do another one of these. Select all 21 of these. Uh-oh. I probably should have real view off for this. Well, I saved, so... Yeah, what's the worst that could happen? Rotate about... Yeah, I need about the Z. 270. No. Bad. Wrong. Yes. Okay. Well, we have two PlayStations now. I think this is a PlayStation 4, guys. Oh my god. It's abominable. There we go. I think this is going to make for a great shot. Alright, so before we render this... Uh-oh, this appearance freaked out a bit. Let me see if I can fix that real quick. Mapping. Advanced. What? Why you do this to me? This is not... Fine, I'll just leave it like that. I just don't want it to like do the weird repeat thing. And have it make a PS5. Yes. This is absolutely the play. Reset. Okay, so we have that. Need to center it in frame though. Man, this one looks cool. I think this is my favorite camera angle of them all. Final render. I just realized I meant to show you how many features this thing came out to. Yeah, I'm just vibing now. I'm just glad this came out as good as it did. I really like this. This is definitely one of my favorite models. Or triple it for PS6. Oh my god. Everyone living in 2020 while we live in 2025. PS6. Hell yeah. Okay. Alright. So, I'm gonna close this down. Save. Actually, that's actually more than I expected. So, just a hair under 250 features for this.